Okay, here I have 2 cups and some coins. These coins will magically jump from one cup to the other cup. But before, we'll separate them equally into the 2 cups. So we'll put 1, 2, 3 coins in this cup and 1, 2, 3 coins in this other cup. So 3 coins in each cup. Now all I have to do is this, and here there are only 2 coins now, and here 1 coin has jumped and there are 4 coins. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 coins in this cup, and 1 and 2 coins in this other cup. So 2 coins and 4 coins. I have to do this, and here there is only 1 coin left, and here there are 5 coins jumped in the cup. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 coins, and 1 coin left in this cup. So 1 and 5 coins. All I have to do is this, and here there are no more coins left, and all 6 coins have jumped into this other cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 coins. And the nice part is at the end, everything can be examined by the spectators.